Hey everyone, this is Ty from Mobile Commons, and I wanted to show you quickly how to set up a new custom field. So, as you're setting up your conversations, you've likely noticed that when you're sending a message, you can also save responses as address, name and address, email, and zip code. So this is great because you can find out more information about a user and then save it to that person's profile. So you can type in here, hey, what's your name and zip? And then we can select that. And then when you send out this message, a user will reply with that information and it'll save to their profile. But let's say you want to ask somebody for information that there isn't a field for. So let's say you want to ask somebody what their favorite flavor of ice cream is. So we'll say, what's your favorite flavor of ice cream? And we want to save that information. But if I look in my Save Response As area down here, I don't see that as an option. So what do we have to do? We have to create a new custom field. So I'm just going to save our conversation really quickly. And then I'm going to go up to Setup under Welcome. There you'll see a link to Custom Fields. And then here we can create a new custom field. So I'm going to call this favorite ice cream. And then I can give it a description if I want to, but this is optional. And then I see under here we have different data types. So you can choose a text data type, date, gender, number, age, or yes and no. So a text will accept any input. So no matter what they respond, it's going to save to their profile. A date format will accept a range of date formats, how people normally write a date. So it'll accept, 5/14/2014, or it'll accept 5/14/2014. It'll accept May 14th, 2014, etc. So it'll accept a lot of different formats, and it'll save them as a normalized format in the system. Underneath that, we've got gender format, so it'll accept any of these responses. Underneath that, we've got number format, and a number format will accept both the number 1 or the word 1, etc. It'll also recognize abbreviations for 1,000, million, and billion. Underneath that, we've got the age format, which is basically the same as the number format, just it's limited between 0 and 120. And then we've got a yes or no format. So it'll accept any of these responses, and the system will recognize that and binarize it to a yes or no in the system. And you can save it to a user's profile. And then you can use that information to segment and target them. But in this case, for favorite ice cream, this is just a text data type. So we'll create that. And then you'll see when we go back to our go back to our broadcast, if I click on the draft that I was just creating a conversation for, I click on the bubble, and now you can see that I have my favorite ice cream field in the system. So I can send that out and then get responses, and then I can start to segment and target my subscriber base with that information. If you have any questions, please let me know. My email is ty@mobilecommons.com, and I look forward to hearing from you. Thanks.